So this is the Wilfa I purchased on the 5th of January. The second machine. First one lasted 10 days. This one, when it works, is fantastic. It did come with a little crack by the reservoir. They both did, but that's okay. And then this one's got the coffee in it, as you can see. And then when you turn it on, setting is correct. I stop it there. There's no coffee coming through. I've cleaned out inside of there. I cleaned out inside of that by taking the stuff apart and brushing it out. That doesn't seem to work, so it's just broken again, just like the first one did. So there you go. If you don't want the aggravation, don't buy one.
So this is the Wilfa burr grinder that I've just unpacked and tried earlier today. This is how it looks on our kitchen counter. Very beautiful, very small and sleek. My hand for comparison. This is the top where you put in the coffee beans. That's the burr grinder, you can see. And then this is where you can set how fine you want the grounds to be. Mocha pot being the finest, and then you can turn to the left and get a coarser grind for your filter coffee. This is where you decide or you choose how long you want to grind for, and you can set it for up to 30 seconds. You press grind once you've put the coffee beans up there, and that's the power button on the right. And this is where you get the grinds from. Very nice, very sleek. I definitely recommend this. It worked really well. Yeah.